If you want to use text-to-speech on Pixel 9a, first of all, you have to start by opening settings and activate that feature. So scroll all the way down and go into the accessibility and now search for select to speak. Now you have to turn it on by clicking on that switcher and allow this shortcut. So tap right here. By the way, you can customize it. So you can change size of it. You can make it smaller, bigger. You can actually fade when not in use, or for example, set the transparency of that button up to your preferences. And additionally, you can also go to the settings and customize it like you can change reading voice. You can also change speech rate, pitch, language, preferred engine. So there's actually a lot of things that you can customize before start using it. You can even read in the background or read text on images. Now, if you want to use that feature, all you have to do is just to simply click on this icon and now click and hold. After a few seconds, few moments, just drag and select anything that you want to transfer from text to speech.
Select to speak. Tap a feature to start using it. How to use select to speak.
There we go.
Start select to speak. Then
if you want to finish or pause, just use that menu. So we can go forward or you can just close it like you want. And that's how you can actually use that feature.